The camera pans across a serene night sky, stars twinkling softly against a backdrop of deep indigo. Ambient music fills the air, creating a gentle and inviting atmosphere. A shooting star streaks across the sky, leaving a shimmering trail in its wake. The stars seem to align, forming whimsical shapes and patterns. A calm narrator's voice echoes, "Hello, little dreamer. Are you ready for a story? Let's begin." The narrator gently encourages, setting the stage for a magical journey. The camera sweeps across the boundless night sky, a canvas of countless stars shimmering in the inky blackness. Our focus narrows on one star, a tiny spark of light burning brighter than all the others. Narrator: Once upon a time, there was a tiny star named Twinkle. Narrator: Twinkle loved to shine all night, watching over the world below. Narrator: She saw children playing, she saw cats prowling, and she saw the moon smiling. Twinkle, a celestial guardian, shines on, her gentle light embracing the world in a silent, starry embrace. A sea of stars blankets the night, each a distant Sunday, but one, named Twinkle, shines with fading light. Her light flickers, a fragile beacon in the immense darkness, a silent struggle against the encroaching night. Narrator: But tonight, Twinkle felt very, very sleepy. Her light kept flickering, like a tiny yawn. Her light sputters, threatening to extinguish. A tiny voice cries out in the void, full of despair. "Oh dear, how can I go to sleep when I'm supposed to shine?" Twinkle asks, her light dimming further. A serene night sky unfolds, the moon a gentle lantern casting soft light. The wise old narrator speaks, his voice a comforting boom. "Little Twinkle, it's okay to rest. I will watch over the world for you." The narrator continues, his words echoing through the peaceful expanse. "And you know what?" Narrator says, "You will shine even brighter in the dreams of sleeping children." The moon glows softly, embracing the world in its gentle, protective light. The night sky unfolds in soft hues, a dreamy expanse illustrated like a children's storybook. The camera slowly pans down, revealing the earth, a serene blue marble in the vast darkness. The scene fades to a deep, calming blue, leaving only a single star softly glowing. Narrator: "So," Twinkle closed her eyes. She felt warm and safe. Narrator: "She sent one last gentle sparkle down to earth, right to you." Narrator: "Now it's your turn to close your eyes, just like Twinkle. Sleep tight." Animation unfolds, a child constructing a pillow fort amidst soft, inviting music. Narrator's gentle voice: "Snuggle down, everyone. It's story time." This is the story of Leo and his magical blanket fort. One evening, Leo built the coziest fort ever, with pillows and his softest blanket. Inside, it was a secret world. Leo brought his teddy bear, and together, they decided to go on an adventure to the land of Nod. Inside a whimsical blanket fort, the floor is a sea of fluffy carpets, pillows like soft, bouncy clouds. Leo and Teddy curl up in their little boat, rocking gently. Teddy asks, "Are we there yet?" Leo answers softly, "Almost. I can feel it." Their eyes grow heavy with sleepiness. The screen fades to a starry blanket fort, promising sweet dreams and a peaceful night. Under the moonlit sky, a calm, dark ocean gently whispers, beginning its nightly ritual. "Let's take a deep breath together and listen to the ocean," the narrator whispers as the waves slow. A little seahorse, nestled on seaweed, sleepily sighs. I'm so sleepy. Clams close their shells, and fish find quiet coves in the soft white sand. The whole wide ocean was yawning a slow, gentle shh lullaby, the narrator soothes. Good night, little one, the narrator whispers as the screen fades to black with a final gentle wave.